Hello everyone, I'm Asif Rahman. Actually, every one of us comes from different universities, different campus, right? But I'm sure about that every one of us faces a common problem, which is difficulty in finding essential service at our university. Essential services such as finding pharmacy, canteen, being shop, prayer room, restroom, or washroom. So what can we do now? So thanks to Amina Rashid Bani Apu for injecting the idea to making the facilities in our campus and enhance the mass accessibility. To solve this problem, Youth Members teams from University of Dhaka chapter has stepped forward to make the essential services access to the campus, to ensuring the greater accessibility and enhance the navigation door. In the initial stage, we are planning to make a plan to conduct a survey, and the manpower will be the chapter's people. So the methodology of the research is very simple. First of all, we identify the facilities types and divide those facilities into two groups: public and which are available for all, and students. We collect data by using Kobo toolbox. We can use Mapillary too. After collecting data, we will export this data and integrate them into OSM. You can see some the sample of the question which will be used in Kobo toolbox. We can again, I have said that we can use Mapillary for this one. Now you can see the how we integrated the data into JSM. We will export the CSV file from the Kobo toolbox, and using QGIS we will change them into JOSM. After that we'll use some hashtags like cafe, pharmacy, coffee, and upload them into OSM. This is a simple technique which will be used to upload data in OSM, and again the hashtags such as Dhaka University or Youth Members and washroom, these are important for tagging them. So why I am using OSM? Actually, OSM is the mother map of every map. Actually, we can use OSM in various purposes, such as we can use them without internet, which is the best part of OSM. I can say that. Okay, then thank you everyone.